What is this? Here you. Oh, it says crush. Okay, I'll crush you when I'm done drinking. She's a beast. She turned into a beast. She's not my beast. Me caca. Daddy, why are you not eating? Mom, you stop eating. Too scared. It's not good for you.
You still get one cheat meal a week?
No, don't take it out, please. Eat it. Oh, this ice makes my tongue feel better. Mm.